Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take your creatine for maximum benefits. To start, you'll want to begin with a loading phase. This helps to quickly saturate your muscle stores. For 5 to 7 days, take 20 grams of creatine daily. Divide this into 4 separate servings of 5 grams each, spread throughout your day. This initial step is crucial for building up your creatine levels efficiently. Once your loading phase is complete, it's time to move into the maintenance phase. This involves taking a smaller, consistent dose daily to keep your muscle creatine levels high. Aim for 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate each day. Consistency is key here. Taking it every day ensures your muscles remain saturated, supporting your strength and performance goals over the long term. Many wonder about the best time to take creatine. The truth is, consistency trumps specific timing. You can take your daily dose any time that fits your routine, whether it's with a meal, before a workout, or after. Simply mix your creatine powder with about 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or even your favorite protein shake. Make sure it's fully dissolved for the best experience. Finally, 2 critical aspects for successful creatine supplementation are hydration and consistency. Creatine draws water into your muscles, so drinking ample water daily is essential for both effectiveness and overall health. Remember, the benefits of creatine accumulate over time with consistent daily use. Stick with it, stay hydrated, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.